if you're like me and fed up of looking around the house for a screwdriver, I just ordered this off TikTok Shop, and it's a 43-piece screwdriver set. So you've got every screwdriver in here you'd ever need, from the short and stubby ones to the really long ones. You've got this one that you can put the interchangeable heads on. With this, you've also got an extension rod, which is bendable, so you can reach them awkward places. And then you've got your really small, thin ones for fixing toys or phones or anything really small. And then you've got your magnetic block in the corner, so it's literally every screwdriver you'd need. This is only $19.49 on the TikTok Shop at the minute. So if you want to get one, I'll link them in the corner for you.